What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zab. Welcome back to another YouTube video. We are going to get started and talk about one of the strategies that I've been doing in the past couple weeks. And the reason why I didn't upload any video for the past couple weeks is because I was trying to perfect this strategy and share with you guys what the strategy is. And this is a basically 15-minute time frame strategy of a break and retest that I've been doing. And I have been seeing some consistency in about the past 2 weeks. So my account seems to be doing pretty well, and I'm very excited to share with you guys what the strategy is, and hopefully you guys can find some benefit from the strategy. So basically the idea here is that we take the highs and the lows of the past couple days and we just try to see where the price was in the past couple days at the top, and where the price was past couple days at the bottom, and at what price level the price did not pass that level. So if I wanted to go, and I'm gonna show you guys how to chart and what I've been doing with charting. These are some of the levels that I have drawn on Tesla, and I trade about 9 stocks in the morning. We're looking for Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, AMD, Meta, and Netflix. So these are the charts that I look for every single morning. I draw my boxes on the 15 to a 30-minute time frame, and I see which level was rejected or supported at least 2, 3, 4 times in the past 4 or 5 days. Okay, if I find that level, I kind of combine them into a box, and I wait for that level to either break, or I wait for the price to come to that level, and I see how the price is reacting on that level. So this is the most important part and very important thing to worry about, because every single morning you will find 1 or 2 trades, sometimes more, that you can see the levels actually do make sense. All right, so we're going to dive deeper into this technical analysis video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. I do plan on making these videos weekly. I don't think I'll be doing daily uploads anymore. I will share with you the P&L on my on the thumbnail of this, and hopefully you guys get some content or some idea out of this video. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We are looking at Tesla right now, and the way I draw my levels is I will look at Tesla on the 30-minute time frame, and I want to see at what levels Tesla rejected at the top. So the first one will be this right here, okay, this right here, and then if we go back on the top, Tesla definitely rejected one right here. It rejected one right here. Here in the pre-market. There you go. Okay, and then one over here, right? So now it's time for me to make my box, right? And you can see the box is already here. The box is already here, and I made this for my trading today. But I want to show you what this box means, right? Look, the level came here, it broke it, it came in, it came down. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5, and there you go. Five times at this price point, Tesla came and it rejected this right back down. So this is a very important level for Tesla. The price point is about 190, 40, about 190, 40, 190, 50, all the way to 192, right? So that's the level that we're looking for. When the price reaches this level, I want to pay attention to the VIX and the candles and see what the candles are doing. That's the important part. You want to see what the candles are doing, and then you decide what you would want to do. Okay, and that's something that you want to look out for, right? If this passes this, right, I would go into calls, and it would be something like break, retest, and then continuation on the upside. That's what I would do on Tesla. All right, so keep that in mind. That's what I would do on Tesla. Okay, so that's something that I would do on Tesla. And then on the downside, right, you see there's one wick over here. There's a level over here that yesterday, February 6th. The day before, this level was a resistance that turned into a support. So you could potentially look for longs off of this, right? Support again, support again, support again, somewhat of a support again, right? So basically the strategy is on the 15 or a 30-minute time frame, support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support. When that change happens, that's when I would like to go into my position. Now, that being said, how much time is this? 5 minutes. Okay. I don't want to make this video too long. I want to be able to share with you guys what my strategy was, and you guys can test the strategy out on your own time frame, okay? In your own time. We go to the 15-minute chart, and we draw these boxes, right? We draw them boxes. But now it's about 9:29, 9:28, and you want to make a trade on Tesla. You would go in the 2-minute chart, right? You would go in the 2-minute chart and remove these big boxes, circles, and you want to see how to trade daily on the 2-minute chart, because those are where you're going to find your entries. So in the pre-market, look where this box was made on the 30-minute chart, and look, the rejection came in on the 2-minute, up and start going down, 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 right? How would you trade this? Well, there's a supply, potentially a demand zone right over here. So you don't want to make any plays here. But if you start seeing this candle, long wick at the top, a hammer candle, goes down, and then you see this green candle right here, you would potentially go into puts. Okay, what's your take profit or what's your get out zone? Well, guess what? Your get out zone is this right here. You know, when you come into this box, because this is the other box that you drew on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so it looks very different on the 30 and the 15-minute time frame. It drops back down, and you can see it pushes up on this box right here. So something to keep in mind. You go back to the 2-minute chart, right? You go back to the 2-minute chart, and you look at what Tesla did today. It dropped back down. You see this candle, you go into puts. That's all your profit. Okay, that's all your profit. Another thing, you know, you want to play a bull flag, and this is what I saw today, which was a very nice move on the day, right? It was a very nice move on the day. And how do you play the bull flag? The bull flag is a move at the upside. So if you were to play the bounce here, you were to go in calls right around here, up, there's a bit of retracement, you go up, a little bit of retracement, you know, it goes up, and you kind of wait for a break of this zone and a hold above the zone. When that hold happened, you can see, just want to show you, it's a break above the zone right around here, right? And then you can see this was forming almost like a flag, a bull flag, right? So if you Google what a bull flag is, you see a movement on the upside, forms a flag, and then the breakout, you go into calls. Did it by the book today, right? Move on the upside, form the flag, it's forming lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and then the breakout, the 9 EMA is being supported, okay? And you would go into calls. That's how you would trade these zones, right? So you draw these zones on the 15 and 30-minute time frame, and then you trade off of these zones. Now, what you do with these zones is really up to you. You can play the bounce, you can play the break and retest, you can play the flags, you can play whatever you want, right? But that's up to you. The strategy, the reason why I went away from SPY is because SPY moves very fast, and there was a lot of, what's the reason? There was a lot of emotions into for me to trade SPY. So that's why I started to step away from SPY and start looking at the actual stocks, you know. So this video is about Tesla. We're gonna stick to Tesla in this video. I will create a video next time for Nvidia and Amazon, and I will have these series out every Saturday, so you guys can, you know, sit back, learn. And again, I don't want to keep saying one thing over and over and over again, but if you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I will share with you guys my Think or Swim platform, and I will share with you guys what my how I'm trading on Think or Swim. I posted a video about Webull a couple weeks ago. If you have any questions regarding Webull, let me know. That's all I have for you guys today. Have a great day. Have a great evening. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye.